Got a problem, guys. Got a bunch of spies that moved into my house. Spies. Oh, it's hot outside. Okay. You can hear them. Now you're not supposed to listen to the freeway. You're supposed to listen to the birds. The NSA got them installed about a couple weeks ago. Every spring. You hear them birds? Them birds keeping an eye on me. About a couple years back, it was 2015, I figured out how to time travel. Figured out how to time travel by microdosing mushrooms and drinking kombucha. And I haven't been left alone by the birds since. The NSA, more like the Nest SA, you know what I mean? They've been living out here for a while. These goddamn birds. Here, I'll show you, here. I think they knew I was gonna try and expose them. But, right up above the lights there. Right up above the lights, right there. That's usually where they hang out at. That's where they moved in at. But I haven't seen them today yet. I don't think. I hear them. Oh, I can hear them. When the military, they were studying drones in the 80s, and then they later sold that information to the corporations, and now we have drones, but we also have drone birds, little robot birds. The reason why they say the birds hibernate, well, really what happens is that the birds are too small to maintain the heat. The little bird things, little bird robots, they're too small to maintain the heat in them. So they call it hibernating, but really they just take it down. They just take them down. They just take them back to the warehouse, and they work on them, fix them up, download any information. They use the winter to look at any information that they witness, that they hear, and then from then on out, that's when people, they start handing out warrants for arrests. My buddy Michael, he lives down the way. He got arrested on a speeding ticket, but it wasn't no speeding ticket. He started reading the Communist Manifesto, and there's birds living out in front of his house. There's a guy who lives in Canada now that claims to be him, and it's the same Facebook profile, and he claims to be happy with kids and everything, but I don't think it's him. I think that's a ruse. I think that's a little bit of a fake. And yeah. So anyways, so I figured out how to time travel about 24 years, a couple years ago. I figured out how to time travel, and I haven't been left alone since. And I'm worried that I'm gonna end up like my buddy Michael. I don't know what happened to him. Like I said, he's supposedly happy in Canada, but I don't think it's him. I don't think it's him at all.